Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add an ebook in with your private label product on Amazon. Alright guys, so we're just going to type into Google free ebook templates, and there's a few here that I have tried and that I've liked, but I really like this one for a first-time user. It's really easy to figure out. So let's go with this one. Okay, so just scroll down here. You can go here or here. I went to the 5 ebook templates, and that's what I have on my computer right now, but I'm not going to show you everything. So anyways, click there, and then it'll bring you to this one here. Then you continue. Some of them want your email, ClickFunnels, you know. But anyways, so basically what you're going to do next is you're going to add in all of your content to the to your ebook and create an ebook. It's going to take a few hours. It's just what it is. So you can hire this out, or you can do it yourself for your first private label product. Why not do it yourself? So it's super easy. Once you're done that and you have all of your content written, then I suggest that you go onto like I don't know, we can go like this. Let's see here. All right, so let's go copyright checker. And then what you do, I guess it's plagiarism. I should know this from school. But anyways, go here. You're going to want to put all of your text in there, and it's going to see if it's plagiarized. So let's go Amazon FBA ebook. Let's go. I am creating an Amazon FBA ebook today with all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Alright, so now it's going to tell you if it's copywritten or anything like that. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That has been used before. So I would change up the writing a little bit, but on that, everybody uses that. So no need to worry on that one. But yeah, so get your ebook all written up. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go on Wix, or we're going to go on WordPress. I actually like Wix a lot better. It's a lot easier to like use for me anyways. I'm not a website person at all. But yeah, so I just signed up, and now you're going to go into the templates. I just picked business, and we're going to click on this one and see what we can do. I'm just going to show you like the bare minimums. This is just how to add an ebook, right? So, just waiting on this. All right, so our new site is coming soon. Stay tuned. So let's change stay tuned, edit text, to free ebook. All right, awesome. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add something in. And this is exactly how I do all of my ebooks. So now we're going to want to add a button. And you can scroll down, pick your button. Let's go with this one. Let's try that one. All right. Make it a little bigger. And there. Now we're going to change the text to download. Awesome. And then we're going to go to this link little spot. Press on that. Then you're going to want to do document, choose file, and then you're going to choose your ebook from your desktop or wherever you saved it, and boom. Then it'll be on here. Next, what you're going to want to do is hit publish, and you're going to want to kind of make it your own. You can change your domain a little bit, but if you want to pay for a domain, so it'll be a lot easier for people to find, then you can pay. You can go on GoDaddy, or even Wix has their own domains. You just use that. You pay, I think, yearly, and then they throw it up on there, and that's your new domain. The next thing I'll do is I'll add my the little domain that you'll get off of where you hit publish, and I will put that on my product packaging, or I'll put it in an insert or on an insert inside of my box that I give to my customers, and then they can find it that way. And another thing that is kind of smart that a lot of people don't do is you will have someone, or someone will ask in your questions on your listing, on your Amazon private label listing, and they're going to ask, like, where do I get my ebook from? You can tell them right there. It's going to be on your packaging or inside your packaging. Let me know if you have any questions or whatever. So that's one way of doing it that doesn't violate the Amazon TOS. Now, don't put it in your listing because they will flag you and give you trouble or whatever. So don't do that. I have heard of people putting it in their emails, their auto-responding emails to their customers. I don't really like that way because people will unsubscribe from emails. I use emails, but I don't like to put that kind of information in it in case a customer doesn't get it and gives you a bad review. So put it on your packaging. This is a super easy way of doing it. Having an ebook will set you apart from your competitors. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little tip. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Also, I would like to ask if you can subscribe and hit the bell so I can keep making these videos and keep providing you with content that is actually valuable. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.